Transferring from Health Equity to Fidelity is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to understand the differences between Health Equity and Fidelity, as both are health savings account administrators. Health Equity is known for its user-friendly interface and competitive interest rates, while Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options and low fees. To initiate the transfer process, first log into your Health Equity account and navigate to the Account Settings or Transfer section. Look for the option to transfer or roll over your account and select it. You will then be prompted to enter the information of the new administrator, which in this case is Fidelity. You will need to provide Fidelity's routing number and your new account number. It is crucial to ensure that you have an existing Fidelity account, as you cannot transfer your funds to an account that does not exist if you do not have a Fidelity account. You will need to create one before initiating the transfer. Once you have entered the required information, review and confirm the transfer details. It is essential to double-check that all information is accurate to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. After confirming the details, submit the transfer request. The transfer process typically takes a few days to a week to complete, depending on the processing times of both Health Equity and Fidelity. You can monitor the status of your transfer by logging in to your Health Equity and Fidelity accounts. It is also important to consider the potential fees associated with transferring your account. Some administrators may charge a transfer fee, so it is essential to review the terms and conditions of both your Health Equity and Fidelity accounts before initiating the transfer. In conclusion, transferring from Health Equity to Fidelity is a relatively simple process that requires some basic information and a few minutes of your time. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer of your health savings account.